Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, the 8th day of September 2025. There is no doubt that one of the major concerns of everyone living in Nigeria right now is insecurity, how to be safe. Can you travel from one state to the other without being kidnapped? Can your unlock lead you from Abuja to Delta or Bayelsa? Can your unlock lead you from Abuja to Kaduna? Can your unlock lead you from Abuja to Delta State on the roads without losing your life or being kidnapped? So there are growing concerns. In Kwara State, part of the state, people are crying, people are dying, people are being kidnapped, and the silence of people seems complicit. The government are not interested. So in this video, I'm going to talk about global crime and insecurity. Yes, one of the short courses I did online last year was global crime and insecurity. And I discovered, that there is no terrorist organization in the world that is solo. When I mean there is no terrorist organization in the world that is independent or that is solo, is there is no terrorist organization in the world that is not being sponsored by the government. A lot of people are not aware of this thing that in Nigeria today we have about 9 terrorist organizations and all of them are government-sponsored terrorism. And I want to put it to you, for those of you who don't know, with the capacity of Nigeria's military and population, there is no terrorist organization that can outsmart or last in Nigeria for more than 1 month if there is no hand of the government in it. ISWAP, Boko Haram, Lakurawa, the people you hear about on non-gunmen, Mamuda, Fulani militia, to mention but few, there's so many, okay? All of them are being sponsored by the government. It might not be government generally, it might be agents of government, it might be some individuals who are powerful in the government, it might be some generals, like what Oshomole said, who are retired generals in Nigeria, who are taking all those gold, lithium, solid minerals. They buy guns for their boys, they use helicopter, even they create airport where airport doesn't exist. They use choppers to go and carry goods, do all those things. Powerful people and people in government are responsible for the insecurity. If you have been following me on YouTube, where I talk majorly on insecurity in Nigeria, I hardly called Bello Tuji. What is the name of that? The head of Boko Haram, the head of Nakurawa, the head of Mamuda. All these people, I hardly call their heads. You know why? I understand through my experience in this insecurity report and in the course of doing some short courses, I discovered that these are not the problems. These are not the problems at all. These people don't have the capacity to last 2 weeks in Nigeria if the government are not supporting them. I was listening to Femi Falana's video again and again because I reviewed so many things that happened before, where Femi Falana was challenging Alimadu Sheriff that you form Boko Haram and give Boko Haram Commissioner of Religious Affairs in Borno State. I challenge you to go and sue me if what I'm saying is not true. The person that formed Boko Haram in Borno State today is still going free, is still receiving pension and so on and so forth. When you talk about the Nakurawa, the Mamuda, the Chief of Defense Staff, Christopher Musa, have the courage to come out to tell the whole world that when a terrorist organization came into Nigeria, they were friendly. How can a military department be friends to terrorists? That they were friendly. They never know that Mamuda terrorist is going to be like this. So some things that comes out of Nigeria, you understand the complicity of it. Now, I listened to Bala Mohammed on Channels Television. You must have seen the video where he's saying that Fulanis are Nova citizens, that they are going to import them from all around the world. Based on which law? Based on which capacity? I don't understand. Before this importation started, the Fulanis in Nigeria have been living in peace with the people in Nigeria. You understand? But after they imported all these militia who are, always radical in 2014, 2015 to help them to remove Jonathan, to act as mercenaries, a lot of people gave them money, including Barack Obama was supporting them. There is nothing they did not do. I am trying to draw the attentions of Nigerians to these insecurity challenges in Nigeria. It will not end. I am saying this. Insecurity in Nigeria will not end. Read my lips. I don't say something because of what is happening now. I'm saying this because of what has happened before and what is about to happen tomorrow. Anybody who have this mind that this insecurity is going to end. It's not going to end. I'm saying this so that Nigerians will plan alternative means. Unfortunately, Tinubu don't have the courage to do anything about insecurity. If I found myself in the position of, presidency or in a position to influence decision, I don't think anybody who have money to buy AK-47 will be prevented not to buy it. Yes, if terrorists can possess AK-47, be killing people, what is the matter of allowing citizens to carry the same gun with equivalent power to defend themselves? Because these terrorists you are seeing from the east to the west, from the north to the south, it is holistic, okay? Their power is not because they are government-backed insecurity for the purpose of exploration of mineral resources, for the purpose of election, or for the purpose of religious reasons and so on and so forth. That is not the major problem. The major problem about this insecurity is that the citizens are not allowed to defend themselves with sophisticated weapons. What are you going to do with pump action or shoot and run when these people are coming with a chain, a chain bullet on AK-47 or AK-49, shooting indiscriminately, and this gun will not stop. When I mean this gun will not stop, they can shoot like 120 rounds. You are carrying pump action, you are carrying all those shoot and run hunters gun. What are you going to do with it? This is an indication that the government don't want the people to defend themselves because these people are being sponsored by them. Let me tell you the truth. The day they will tell people to have AK-47, not everybody that will have money to buy it, okay? But let me tell you, in a community, when 10 people have AK-47, I challenge any terrorist to put their head in that community. The end of their life will just come that day. I challenge any terrorist to put head in any place that they have 20 AK-47 in a village. So, as I'm speaking to you, your village that have 10,000 population or community, just 2 AK-47 can bring everybody to their knees. Are you understanding the dimension and the concept of what I'm saying? If everybody is armed, this insecurity will end. If you shoot me, I shoot you. And let us face the battle. But the government has weakened the people. They have a purpose, they have a reason. Go and listen to former Nigerian Military Intelligence Agency, Gael Clavis. He said for the purpose why the APC government allowed this insecurity is the purpose of Islamization. I am not the one saying it. Someone who served Nigerian Navy, who was the head of Military Intelligence Agency, comprising both the DSS and everything, he's still alive. He made that statement that APC government allowed this for the purpose of Islamization. Mr. Gael Clavis made that statement. T.Y. Danjuma said the military, the police are colluding with the armed bandits to kill the people. The other time, is it not in Taraba? The policeman caught the bandits, the terrorists who went to kidnap. As they are transporting them to their barrack, military intercepted them. Military opened fire on the police, killed the police, freed the kidnappers. Some things that happen in Nigeria don't happen anywhere in the world. It seems like this is a joke. Anytime you see what is going on in Nigeria, people laugh. That a governor of a state, a governor of Zamfara state is coming out to tell the people that they know where the terrorists are, but they can't do anything because the federal government did not allow them to do it. So, what I'm telling you today is for you to get your mind prepared. Your people are the ones sponsoring this insecurity. And this insecurity, when Buhari became president in 2015 till today, so APC government have not, be removed out of power. They incubated these terrorists. They aided them. The evidence is all over the places. Okay, DSS now is writing Twitter to ban Sowore's account and so on and so forth. This is the same DSS that Kunle Olawumi said they know the people who are killing the people. It doesn't make sense. So this is a misplacement of priority. Why? Because they don't want you well. They don't want you well, and the earlier you realize it, the better for you.